Hello, and welcome to my yoga. My name is Nicole, and today we'll be stretching out our neck, shoulders, hands, and wrists. So for our practice today, we're going to begin in a comfortable seated position, any position that you'd like to take. If you have a lot of tightness in low back, feel free to prop yourself up on a cushion, a pillow. It will give your hips a little bit more space to release. So let's just bring the hands down onto the thighs. We're going to take a deep breath in here, lengthening the spine, lifting the heart. As you exhale, just let your shoulders roll back and down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, rolling the shoulders back. One more time like that, inhale. See if you can get even taller to the crown of your head. Shoulders rolling back as you exhale. Now deep breath in, sweeping the arms up. Exhale, hands coming through heart center to prayer. Now breathe in, reach. Look up if that feels okay for the neck. Exhale, hands to the heart. One more time here. Big breath in, reach up. And as you exhale, palms of the hands coming to heart center. Now breathe in, reach your arms up overhead. As you exhale, palms of the hands turn out, and we're going to bring the fingertips down onto the earth beside our hips. Push the fingertips down, lift your chest up. Then as you exhale, draw your chin in towards the chest. If this is enough stretch here, feeling the shoulder blades drawing back and down, stay here. Those of you that would like a little bit more, walk your fingertips back. Keep the chest lifting, belly in, sit bones rooting down. Chin drawing in, finding that length. Deep breath here. Now as you inhale, slowly bring the gaze back up. Exhale, bringing the hands onto the thighs. You're going to breathe in, lift your heart, lengthen. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder. As you inhale, bring your left fingertips down onto the earth beside you, gently pushing them down is going to help to lengthen out the side of the neck even more. Notice as you breathe in, your heart lifting. As you breathe out, that shoulder slides back and down. If anyone would like to move a little bit deeper, taking your right hand and placing it on the side of the head, you're not pulling, just adding a little bit of weight to get some more length here. Relax your shoulders. Take one more breath in. Exhale, release the hands to the thighs. Inhale, gaze back to center. Exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Inhale, right fingertips to the floor. Push them down. That will give you more length. Lift the heart. If you wish to, taking the hand and resting on the side of the head. And feel the shoulder blades drawing down the back. That will help to lengthen the neck. Relax your jaw. Last breath here. And as you inhale, release the hand, bring them onto the thighs, gaze comes back up. Exhale, draw the chin in towards the chest. Take a breath here. Inhale, gaze comes back up. Shoulders rolling back as you exhale. We're going to breathe in now. Extend the arms out in front of you. As you exhale, we're going to cross that right arm over the body. So bring the palm of your hand to your left shoulder. Turn the left palm to face the sky and then bend at that elbow so you're hooking onto your forearm. You're going to breathe and lift the heart up. As you breathe out, take that right shoulder and roll back, maybe pulling on that right arm to get a little bit deeper. Notice what's happening with the lower body. Try to soften the legs a little bit. Feel those sit bones rooting down. Inhale, lengthen to the crown of the head. As you exhale, pull that shoulder back and down. One more breath here. And exhale, now release the arms. Give them a roll. Inhale, arms come back up. Exhale, left crosses over the body, palm of the hand to the shoulder. Right palm turns to face the sky, bend that elbow, hooking the forearm. Roll that left shoulder back, maybe straightening the arm, lengthen, lift the heart. Allow the breath to really open and expand your rib cage. It's going to help to open up the shoulder a little bit more as well. You're going to take two more here. A big breath in. And now as you exhale, release. You have the shoulders a roll. Now breathing out, palms of the hands coming down onto the floor. And we're going to make our way into a tabletop. So we're going to start to stretch out our wrists. So in this position, I want you to bring your hands closer to the knees than you normally would. So most of the weight is going to be on the knees. We're going to take our hands now and we're going to turn the fingertips in. So the thumbs are going to come out. The heels of the hands are facing forward. Now, if your hands aren't going all the way around, just go to where is comfortable for you. So once the hands have turned, try to relax your shoulders, relax the jaw, breathe deeply. Those of you that would like more option to let the weight sink back towards the heels, but continuing to push the whole hand into the floor. Take one more breath here. Shoulders are away from your ears. As you inhale, let the weight shift into the knees. Abdominals strong. Now release one hand and then the other. Curl the toes under, sit back onto your heels. And just circle out your wrists. And your bonus toe stretch here. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, bring the hands back down onto the earth, but this time we're going to have the heels of the cannons fairly close to the knees. Bend into your elbows, let the knees take most of the weight, and then you're going to flip your hands so the top of the hand comes onto the mat. Thumbs are inwards. Flip one and then flip the other. This might be quite intense, so I invite you to keep the elbows bent. Those of you that feel like you can move a little bit deeper, maybe straightening the arms, maybe coming up onto the knees and walking the hands forward slightly, bringing a little bit more weight there. 2 more breaths wherever you are. Deep breath in. As you exhale, let the knees take the weight, curl the toes under, release one hand, release the other. Sit back, circle out, shake out. Good, deep breath here. As you exhale, bring the palms of the hands back down onto the floor, but we're coming into our full tabletop now. So shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. We're going to move through some cat-cow, opening up the back body and opening up the shoulders and the back of the neck. As you inhale, draw your gaze up and your tail up. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, shoulder blades lift. Inhale, lift, look up. Exhale to round. And let's do that one more time. Big breath in. Good, round it as you exhale. And with your inhale, make your way back to neutral, back to center. We're going to transition now down onto our forearms. So bringing the elbows right underneath your shoulders, have the forearms parallel to each other on the earth. Now we're going to open up the back of the neck and in between the shoulder blades. Push the palms of the hands and the forearms down, same motion as your cat-cow. As you inhale, draw the heart forward, pull the shoulders back, gaze and tail lifts. Exhale, pull the belly in, chin to chest. Feel that rounding in the upper back, the length in the back of the neck. Inhale, gaze up, shoulders back. Exhale to round. Controlling the movement. Breathe deeply. Last one here. Breathe in. And exhale. Good. As you inhale now, bring yourself back to neutral. Exhale, we're going to bring the hands underneath the shoulders back up to tabletop. Let's transition now to a child's pose. Knees wider than hips, toes to touch, hips to the heels. We're going to release the forehead down to the floor, to a cushion, whatever's available. Now, if it feels okay, I invite you to bring the arms down beside you, palms facing the sky. This will allow the upper back to round and release here. Breathe deeply, feel the weight in the forehead. And if it feels good, perhaps gently rocking your forehead temple to temple. Helping to release tension now with this motion, not only through body, but also through mind. If you're moving the head with your next exhale, bring yourself back to center. Taking 2 more breaths here. And exhale, palms of the hands come underneath your shoulders. As you inhale, very slowly rise up, making your way back into seated. Bring the hands onto the thighs, take a deep breath in, lengthen, lift the heart. As you exhale, palms of the hands to prayer at heart center, closing the eyes and bowing the head. Take a deep breath in. Feel yourself centered. And just thank yourself for this time. These moments to connect, to stretch, to let go. Namaste.